And here comes the baby girl.
Hello. Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
You're too near. Come
Hello,
here.
Guys. Hello, guys.
Say happy birthday, Mommy G.
Happy to you, Mom G.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special video dahil this video is dedicated to my mom. Today, February 11 is her birthday and I thought I wanted to make a video dedicated to her. So, ang naisip ko ay I will do my makeup using my mom's makeup. So, ito yung mga makeup niya. And by the way, I saw this video on Nicka tutorials during her Winter Wonder week, if I'm not mistaken. If you want to watch that video, I will link it down below. So, I got the inspiration from that. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, ngayon, gagawin natin yung makeup natin using my mom's makeup. And she got quite a handful of makeup, enough for full face. May foundation, pressed powder, blush, may pangkilay, eyeshadow. So, we'll work with it. Okay, so let's start with foundation. This Missha Skin Fit Stick Foundation. In the shade 23. Ito siya. Meron din pala siyang BB Cushion. This is from Banila ko. And in the shade BE20. Gusto ko siya kasi, tingnan nyo. Hindi siya yung typical na cushion foundation. Ini-squish siya dito. But, so, i-apply ko lang siya sa aking face. Walang primer si Mami, kaya hindi ako nag-primer. Ang puti. Ang puti, besh. Tsaka makapal, in fairness. Ngayon pa lang ako nakagamit ng stick foundation. Makapal pala siya. My mom, hindi siya masyadong ma-makeup. Kasi sabi niya sawa na daw siyang mag-makeup. Kasi 16 years old siya. Nag-work siya sa isang mall. At doon daw ay laging naka-makeup. So, ayaw niya na nang mag-makeup. Wala siya coverage. Wala siya masyadong coverage. Kahit na makapal siya. Anyways, pag lumalabas si Mami ng bahay, usually, ano lang, siya yung pulbo lipstick type of girl. Magpupulbo lang siya. Minsan hindi pa nga siya magpupulbo. Pero marami siyang makeup. Kasi pinapadalan kami nung tita namin sa Korea. Hindi siya bumibili ng makeup niya. Kasi hindi na siya mahilig masyado mag-makeup. Although ngayon, I'm proud to say na natututo na siyang magkilay. Pagpasensyahan niyo pati kilay ko, ha? Alam ko. I know, hindi pa ako nagpapa-thread and I should visit my threading salon. Pero, girl, no time for that. So, walang concealer si Mami. Ito na lang, Banila ko na BB cream underneath the eyes. Tingnan niyo siya. Oh, this is what I'm talking about, Yama. Oh my gosh. Oh, bakit wala na rin laman? Meron. Ayun, no. Meron. Ayun. Okay. And then I will set everything with this one. This is from Careline. I'll use a brush for setting. Alam niyo, gamit na gamit niya to. Gamit na gamit niya. Gamit na gamit ng kapatid ko. So, basta yung makeup ni Mami for sharing.
Oh, wow!
Para sa amin lahat yung makeup niya. Thanks, Mom. Ang puti ng mukha ko, besh. Hindi pantay sa leeg. Pantay natin. Wow, magkikilay na tayo. Social. Social. Pero bakit walang yung takip? Okay, so this one is from FaceShop. Designing Brow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade dark brown. Nakalimutan ko na kung gaano ka-pigmented tong designer brow ng FaceShop. Parang ang pakak ng kilay ko. Palaban ang ating kilay, besh. Magkikilay lang ako, babalikan ko kayo kasi sayang ang film. Okay, so I'm back. And hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa kilay ko. Feeling ko there's something wrong with my kilay. Siguro hindi pa kasi ako nakapagpa-thread. Pero kasi parang ang stubborn nitong part na to. Hindi ko alam. But let's move on. Now, my mom has this quad. This is from Miniso. At isa lang ang kanyang matte shade. So, I don't know how are we going to work with that. Meron siyang tatlong shimmers and isang matte. So, hindi ko alam. Let's do this. Para mag-match siya sa aking tassel. A blending brush na bend. So, I tried this once and it's very pigmented. See, may color na siya agad. Ayoko i-zoom in kasi hindi pa ako nakapagpa-thread. Arte ko, no. Now, there's this one funny story. No, 2 months ago, nasa China si mommy. She spent Christmas there with my dad. And it's approaching winter. So, it's very cold. And she wanted to go out. Nag-foundation siya and everything. But then that time, hindi pa siya marunong magkilay. I'm just getting a blending brush para i-blend yung harsh lines. So, hindi pa siya marunong magkilay. But then, wala siyang kasamang marunong magkilay. And she wants to go out with her kilay. What she did is, video called me just to ask kung maganda yung kilay niya. Kung pantay ba yung kilay niya. And it's like, nung tumawag siya, I thought there was something urgent. And then, I answered the call and she said, Dana, okay lang ba yung kilay ko? Pantay ba? I was like, what, mom? You're doing your kilay? Oo, nag-aaral na ako. Sabi ang ganun. I said, okay, it's fine. And after that, a few days later, she called again, asking kung pantay ba yung winged eyeliner niya. Like, Mom, you're doing a winged liner now. I was so proud. So proud. Getting this pinkish shimmery shade and using this applicator na kasama niya. Wow. Sobrang pigmented siya, guys. Smudger brush. Pwede siguro to. And I'm going to get the matte shadow. Lalagay ko siya dito sa ilalim. Papag-i-enroll din ba ako pag ganyan yung makeup ko? I'll just do my other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done with my eye makeup. Naglagay lang ako ng eyeliner and sa mascara. Hindi na ako magpa-falsies kasi punta ako sa school. Blush. Ayan, meron siya ditong blush. This is from the brand Cuico. Medyo pink siya. Na may mga maliliit na sparkles. And gustong-gusto siya ni Mommy. Wala siyang contour. So, bahala na. And then, magka-highlight na ako using yung parang champagne lang. Ito. Ayan. Next, mag-lipstick na tayo. Pero parang hindi ako masaya nung wala akong contour. Wait, mag-nose contour lang ako. Ang nose lang talaga, nose lang. Promise. Nose lang. Kasi parang, you know, hindi kompleto yung life pagka walang nose contour. Ayan, okay. So, from Missha. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ayan, pero ganito siya. Ganito siyang pink. Hindi nagmamat ang nanay ko. Ayaw niya ng matte. Hindi man sa ayaw niya, pero oh my god. Masyadong pink. Wait, kukuhala ko ng tissue. Yan. Medyo nag-tone down na siya. Sobrang moist niya. Hindi ako sanay. Okay. And then, magdadab lang ako ng concealer. This is from Maybelline. Mysterious Mocha. Ayan. Magdadab lang sa center. Ayan. Mas better. Ayan. So, magbabronzer lang ako ng slight and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you like it, and to my mom, happy birthday. Thank you for being a very wonderful mom. I love you so much, and I hope you enjoy your day. May God bless you more, and we are so blessed na ikaw yung mommy namin, and we love you so much, and thank you for everything na ginagawa mo for us, for Nicka also. And yun lang, I love you, and I hope you like this video. Thank you sa makeup mo, thank you sa pagpapahiram sa makeup mo, and that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!